Hey, welcome back everybody. Gmo here. Well, we do have our next task, which is to place these in the hottest region, which is over here. At least that's what I'm guessing. We don't have, yeah we do. This will show us a, no, that shows the same thing. Go to map. That's supposed to be, I guess, the hottest region. There's a big old desert there. We're gonna have to fly there either way. We got to be able to make those. Hang on. That is, we'd have to make one of these compartments with, which is the alloy, steel alloy. The insulated layers are not going to be hard because we can make that in, nope, not here, here. And that's strictly gold. We got tons of gold. Gold we stockpiled in here, so we got gold, but we got to make that steel. How do we make that steel? Oh, come on. By the way, we had the plane on there when I got on. The plane, for some reason, was sitting over here. I don't think I landed it there. Who knows? So how's everybody doing today? I wish I had a jetpack. Alright, we can't make that in here, can we? No. Oh, I remember how to make that. That's with this, this thing. This'll make it. So we need a, yeah. Why try and remember it? Because you know you're not going to remember it. We got the I-beams on us. We needed the plated connectors, plated wires, and insulated layers. So we're going to need gold. Give me some gold. Give me some gold. I could have made all this before I started, but we need 5 insulated layers. Is it the gold wire? No, it's cable. Gold wire. Rubber. Really? What about the plated? Copper. Make me run around. Copper and rubber. Rubber's over here. Nope, not here. Way over here. Yes, it's high temperatures out. You're rubber, right? Really? I got no rubber? Oh, I know why. It's feeding you. No more food for you. You're eating too much. Why are you guys going so slow? Water's 100. Ouch. Come on, keep feeding you. Oh, no, no, no. No more feeding you. Just keep feeding you. I need rubber. Yeah, not much rubber. You know, I should have checked the box over there. Let's go get some copper. Was it copper plates or copper ingots? We need, oh, rubber for that one. We need copper ingots. Alright. Just gotta figure out where the copper ingots are at. Nope, your steel plates. Copper ingots gotta be up here. Nope, can't get it from you. Can I get it from you? Oh yes, thank you very much. Take them all. No, I want them all. Fine, I'll just take them one at a time. Be that way. Boy, this is like a nightmare place. And I still got to get these two separated to make, whatever you want to call them, rods. Oh man, I lost my, my thing. My tingy. Where's my tingy at? This. That's what we wanted up there. There you go. Okay. Wow, I need 10 of those? Excuse me. Well, I'm glad we grabbed all that gold. We're gonna have to set up a warehouse over there, but there's only just the one gold. Okay. Hopefully we got some rubber. Yeah, high temp, I know. We gotta fix it one of these days. That's it? Come on. Give me more rubber than that. Hey, alright. Actually we could have... went to the other side over there and grabbed a bunch of the plant and made our own rubber. How many can I get? I need 4. Can you give me 4 wire? I probably have 4 wire in here somewhere. Alright, good. We can make that. Let's just make it right here real quick. Just to see what we're going to hook it to. What do we hook you to? For steel alloy, we're going to need iron and graphite, or iron and coal. So iron and graphite, or graphene, is what we need. Iron and graphene. Okay, where do we have graphene? It's not going to light up graphene, is it? No, it's not. It wasn't near gold. Was it? No. Oh, where do we see graphene? So we didn't have iron over here. Where's my buggy? Wiry minds want to know. Where did I leave my buggy? It's probably dead. Oh, which way's gold? That way is. I bet I left it up here. Oh, you know what? I meant to make myself another battery. Because I got an extra slot on this guy. There it is. Hey, my buggy. Oh, we had graphene up here, didn't we? Oh, man, it's really hot up here. Let's see. Nope, you're not graphene. Let's get in the buggy. Drive around quicker. Yeah, I made a trench going all the way to the gold. Yet the gold is way up too high. Are you dead? You got 26 seconds. You're no good. Let's go in here for a second. Have a bite to eat. I gotta make him a garage. So now I gotta run around. I swear we had graphene up here. And for some reason it doesn't show up. It's really low to the ground. There it is. That's graphene, right? Graphite. Same thing, right? We got a big container of it. Yes! Iron, iron. No, you're not iron. I don't want you. Should have just looked at it. You didn't want to come down. You're basalt. No. What are you? You're copper, right? Yeah. Where's our iron one? Owie. Too many boo-boos. Iron? Iron! Yes! Right next to the graphene. And I put 2 on that. So I'll put you over here because water's over here. Okay. Beautiful. That worked out alright. Alright, we're going to run you backwards. Because we'll probably put a refiner behind us. Or not a refiner, well, whatever. Okay. Put you here. Oh, no. I got a double on that. This could be a long run. Let's change that. Let's move you closer. Yeah. You keep beating my butt. Because we'll probably put a warehouse over there then. Rather have a long run with the water. That's better. So it'll be a tight turn for the water. This is the one, right? Yeah. Alright, because we're going to have to put a... Oops, put the wrong one. Does this take items from a single? 2 inputs. This is what we want. Because I wanted this thing to go as quickly as possible. Oh, actually, no. Come on. Because that's... will you stop hurting me? I just want one of those. I changed my mind. Then we'll use one for something else. Give me some food. There you go. And we'll use one for something else. Yeah. How wide are you going out? I don't want you super wide. Come on. There you go. There. That's good enough. And then you need water. That's right. Did I make a connection into this? Oh, heck no. Oh, what are you making? Cobalt? We had cobalt over here? Yeah, we did. We need to cut into this. How far down did you go? Oh, no. No. Really? And you're in the ground? You booger. My oxygen's going too. Let's see if we can connect it anyways. See if it snaps. Did that snap? No. Oh, no, it didn't. Just scratch that. Okay, that we can connect to. Give me drone. Be easier. We get the drone up here. That's good. Oh, my guy's here. Okay. Alright, let's get a T in here. No, not you. This. We're gonna have to pipe in off that. I know I'm running low on oxygen. Running low on everything. See if we can use this and do a tight turn. Tight turn this way. Yeah, there you go. In case we need more connections. Alright, you're still connected in, right? You. 89. Wow, that's not good. Not good at all. We'll take you. Oh, I could have looked at it here. Did we get the bigger pump yet? No, just regular water pump. I want that bigger pump. We're gonna need it for going way out here. Bird's eye view. Okay, yeah, with low water pressure, man, that's not good. Okay, and then we're gonna make steel plates. Yes. With only 40% water, that is no good. Alright. Now that we got those steel plates going, let's see if we can make a garage. So we can get this old girl charged. Alright, what do we need for a garage? Hey, we got the train already? Yeah, you know, I never got this train working good. Never. I really would like to. Now that we have a place that we could possibly use it. Well, what do we need for that? Reinforced frame, sensor array, controllers, rotors. What is this? Buffer stop? Yeah, see, the train didn't move automatically. But I didn't play around with it as much as I should have. Here, I need my garage. That's what we need. Steel alloy 20, and we do have cement. So as soon as that thing gets 20 steel alloy, we're going to make the garage. Alright, we got oxygen. Let's get a little munch here. Num num num. Alright. And then we still have this one running. Got 20? Oh yeah, that's all I need is 20. I'll let you keep going for right now. Get a warehouse up here and start getting some stuff in the warehouse. We'll get you a garage, put you in there, put the garage right here. We gotta get some roads built too. Garage. Yeah, it'll be able to go in. We gotta get a charger too. Door, vehicle charging unit. We need 5 more steel alloy and some, whatever that was, plated connectors. Can we make the plated connectors? Yes, we can. We still got copper on us. Okay, beautiful. Isn't that cool that we can just build right into the wall? Because this thing is built into the wall here. Alright, we need 5 steel alloy. Wait, I should have just grabbed all that steel alloy. Because a lot of the stuff we're making now is going to take steel alloy. Once we get a warehouse, we'll be good. Take all. Whoop. Come on. What's the take all button? Take all. There you go. This way you can keep making stuff. See, that's one of the reasons why I like putting these little boxes on. That box gets filled and it'll just keep running. I love it. Okay, let's build that power unit. Oh yeah, now it says steel out. Yeah, I hate when it does that. Open sesame. Okay. Power unit. Hopefully it's on the right way. Alright, let's get you in there, buddy. With your 30 seconds left to go, or 26 seconds left to go. Alright, are you charging? Oh, you are. Beautiful. I also want to make the other one. The other thing we got here. This guy. Since we have steel alloy. Oh, we got him on us too. Because I want to try something with this guy. Hydraulic pistons. Can we make them? Yes. And we need gold wire 6 and wheels. Oh, I'm going to have to go down for ceramic. Yeah, I need ceramic. But I can make the gold over here. Ah, crap. What do we run out of? Gold! Oh, we ate up all the gold. It's alright, we got to go down anyway for ceramic. Look at how green everything's getting. Did we put... Yeah, we put a green thing up here and we're not getting green. And jump! Jump! Let's grab some rubber while we're here. I think we're going to need rubber. Oh, there you go. Let's grab all the rubber. Oh, look at that toxic lake. Toxic lake. Alright, oh, we need gold. Grab some gold. Grab it all. Oh, nope, put that back in there. We don't want to get in, go for any more gold. What do we need? Gold wire? Do I have any gold wire on me? No. Yeah, 1. Yes. How many we need? Oh, we lost it. Crap, what are we making? My mind just went... Oh, we got warehouse fee too. Yeah, I knew that, didn't I? I have completely slipped my mind on what we're making. Oh, right here. Okay. We need 6 gold wire and... Oh, I didn't get room for ceramic. 6 gold wire. Okay. I don't need any more of that. Does that take gold? No, it takes rubber. So we'll hang on to the rubber. Get rid of the rubber bands. Put it in here. Nope. Just got the most room. Get rid of rubber bands. We don't need those. Let's go get some ceramic. Come on. Boogity, boogity, boogity. One stack should do it. Oh, hey, I said one stack. Alright, so fine. Got more than one stack. We just have to put the rest in here in case we need it later. But one by one because you decided to grab them all. We need 4 tires. I think that'll take all 20. We got the reinforced frame if we ever need them. We're making our choo-choo. Oh, we're going to need batteries. Oh, let's make this first. One bulldozer. Because this thing will raise the ground. Turn you the other way. You're going to be running that way. Okay. Now, how much room do I got? You make batteries. Good. Enough room. Batteries. Refined cobalt and sulfur. I thought they were inside. Oh, man, they're not in. Do you got any sulfur? Refined cobalt? No. How about you? Ah, cobalt. But no sulfur. Here, we always need rubber. There, have some rubber. You got no sulfur. You're getting a lot of stuff in you, though. Here, sort that. Man. Ah, where is sulfur at? Up there. I gotta go up there, make batteries, and then come back down here. Ain't that a kick in the teeth? Because I want to use that to level the ground a little bit to make some roads. Oh, I forgot to make another battery. I think sulfur was this way. We need to get that warehouse. I'd like to make that warehouse T2. Gives us a little bit more space. And grab a couple of these. That should do. I don't want to make us too full. Got a few holes in here for me flattening all this out. We're going to have to flatten out a lot of area once we get to making homes. Those big apartment buildings. Alright, batteries. We need 3 of them. And I need some of this. Hang on, those need cobalt. Don't have any cobalt on me. Really? Well, 2 batteries better than none. Oh man, I feel like I'm running more than I'm getting tired watching this guy run. When do I get my jetpack? Is there a jetpack in here somewhere? Or working? I don't know, it would be in here somewhere. Should make that cooler too. Can we make that cooler? Vent filters. Oh, hang on. Will we come down here for it? I was short. Refined cobalt. We have any more in here? We got some cobalt though, right? Oh, it's osmium. Thought I seen cobalt. Cobalt. Oh, I needed osmium for something. Cobalt, cobalt, cobalt. Oh, I can't do cobalt in here. That won't do me no good. Put that cobalt back in there. But I needed osmium for something. What do I need osmium for? This? No, that was cobalt. Raw cobalt for that. But why was I thinking osmium? I need 3 of those. I can put another battery on me. I get a little bit more juice to run. For now. That gives our 240 energy. Wish it was something to give us more health. Oh yeah, let's get rid of those stones. I gotta make a garbage can. We keep picking up stones. And... oh man, got no osmium in there? No. Okay. We need cobalt. I know we got... you know what? 2 batteries is enough. We should be able to get up there with 2 batteries. I'm sitting there running around like a chicken with his head cut off. Okay, let's see. See how this works. I don't know if it worked too good or not. It looks a little lumpy if you ask me. Yeah, try that again. Alright, this is... oh, it's taking it out. No, I don't want to do it over that. That don't look like it gave us a road or anything, no. No, I don't know how much I like that. Is there a way to raise the shovel? No, this just raises how much you do that. Alright, let's do this in an area that we got nothing. Let's go down here. I can always reflatten this. Okay. Right button. Oh, digs a hole. Left button, if I just hold it, raises us up. Wow. Okay. Now I see how the bulldozer works. I don't know how much I like this. I mean, it did sort of make like a ramp deal. I mean, it's not exactly the flattest. Still like the bulldozer best. Yeah, I've just parked this thing over there. I don't know how much I like this thing. I mean, it's okay. I'm gonna shorten that up just in case. Just park you here for right now. Man, it's okay. I'll end up flattening that back out. I don't know. Where the gold is at, I might do that. But then again, making a ramp right there and then flattening out the upper half. And then we could put stuff up there. I mean, we'll see. Alright, what's next? We still got to make that building. Or this thing here. For the data center. Now, we did get our steel alloy. Insulated layers, no big deal. Oh, yeah, balstic cement. That's the one that's up in the air that won't come back down, so I just made a very crooked conveyor to bring it down. Oh, I never hooked up water for this. Oh, we need water for it. Yeah, isn't that weird? Because this thing won't do it until we get water. We'll probably end up hooking up that quartz. I don't know why. Oh, this is going to lower our water even more. Because, I mean, we were milking that water down there immensely. Well, I'm glad we left this thing at 40%. Wow. Oh, wrong one. Gotta have that. Really killing our water. Whoop. Get out of that. Hit no. And do it again. Because it connected over there by accident. Itchy trigger finger. I do want it up in the air. Oh, I'm riding a pipe. That just sounds wrong. Wow, this is the first time something's actually... Oh, I spoke too soon. Oh, come on. Up in the air. Let's get back closer to it. Alright, that's better. But don't go a million miles out. Alright, fine, we'll deal with that. Alright, good, it's functioning. At what? 34% water. Oh my lord. Isn't that weird looking? That is completely see-through. It never dropped. I don't know why. Everything else dropped. This is going to go so slow. Wonder if we can get some more water hooked up. Let's get some more food in this. We could run for a lot longer now. Yeah, we'll run down there so we can get another water line in there. Yeah, no, high temp. On our messed up road. Probably be better off just doing a road. I might just reflatten this out because this really didn't come out the way I was planning. I thought it would be somewhat level like the other ones. Come on, man, it's too hot. Oh, you mean too hot? Let's see, we're all tied in to this one here. Got that there, that there. There's no more lines on that. Yeah, I do have room. I can pop a couple more in. Do I have what I need on me? Yes I do. Till we can get the next one. That's what we're going to have to do. There's 3 of them. Alright. Disconnect that, so we have 4 that we're going to have to connect in. Those are in the way. We're going to have to move the power over. Because we need 2 of these, actually. Power's going to be an issue in a second. 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, let's hope those 3 more do it. I gotta put this power back in. Where are we gonna put it? What's our power rating right now? We're still at 100%? Oh, because I had all those wind turbines there. Okay. Well, we'll check upstairs, see what our power is. Yeah, I know, high temp. I gotta check my water up here. Well, at least I can run up this. Water's at 68. Well, that's better. Man, that's an awful lot of water just for one place. I don't really want to put in another one. I'm hoping to get the next tier. I don't know when we get that. Well, that extra battery seems to be helping us run more. Alright, grab all that real quick. 68's better than 34. Run, Forrest, run! Yeah, I got a boo-boo. Ah, yes. Okay, what do we need? Oh, yeah, I think that's built in our inventory, isn't it? Alright. That takes one of those and 10 of them to build that. And this takes two. Computers are in there. We're going to have to take some steel alloy with us. Planes should be completely full because we have to make 4 of these in the box. So that means we got to make more than one box. Okay. Insulated layers. Oh, we ain't got no gold on us. We gotta go back downstairs. Oh, don't do that. Because we want the better water source. Because look how many water things we got. I'd love to cut that down a little bit. Oh man, I love it. We can run all the way back to here. Do I have any room? Yeah, I will. We don't need these. I don't think we need that. Oh, can't put that in there. Give me this. Put that back in there. Come on. I said put it in there. We don't need cobalt. We don't need ceramic. Don't need these. Okay. Let's label this real quick. We need this. So insulated layers, that's in here. That takes 10, so let's make 20. No, let's make 30. Because the other things take 2. So that's 8. So that'll cover that. We're going to grab a few more steel alloy and some more basalt. How many we get? 22. Would we run out of gold? Yep. Grab some more gold. Top that off there. Oh, I think they take 4 each. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. I want to have plenty of them. Quit opening the door. It's hot out there. Take whatever I can get on them. $37. Yeah, we should be good on that. And then these computers are in the warehouse, so we're good there. It's just the basalt and the steel alloy. Alright. Take the plane. It should be fully charged. Yeah, fully charged. I know you guys didn't want to see this. Oh, look at that. That was a good flight. Oh, come on, hit the right button there, G. Alright, take some steel. Let's go get some basalt. That was a good flight. I can't believe it. No crashing in the ground to land. Oh, a lot of basalt. Good. Alright, I think we're ready. Ready as we're ever going to be. Going to the superheated place. Wait a minute. Can we make the... No, we don't have the filters. Alright, where are we going? Let's check the map. Let's put a marker on it. Alright, we got a marker. Beautiful. I don't see a separation of the lands yet. Oh, this is supposed to be like superheated too. No, it doesn't look separated. Yeah, we'll land right down in here. This looks like a good spot. Nice deserty. Oh, how about that for a landing? And yes, this is going to be a hot area. I think I'm going to need a shot of food. Just in case. Yeah, I needed it. What did it say for temperature? Oh, 198 Fahrenheit. We gonna get cooked. I wonder if I can build it while I'm in here. No, I can't. Yep, extreme temp. Oh, come on. Jump. Jump, fool. Why can't I get in? Alright, I said we're gonna need 2 of these, so... These are like my favorite, too. The reason they are is you don't get that center beam. But let's do the build that we have to build. Wait a minute. That was the task, wasn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Task. 5. Oh, 5. Okay. Large osmosis. Water pump V2. That's what we need. Water purifier V2. Awesome. Beautiful. And I can jump straight into the ship from here. Woo-wee! Oh. Here. No. Wow, it's not even showing any metals. Oh, let's put a marker there. Because we got home markers all over the place. I can't even tell if there's a mountain. Oh, yep, there's a mountain. Oh, yeah, another mountain. Another mountain. Where the heck all this fog come from? It's the wrong base. I just landed on the ground. Okay. Look at that. No, not much crazy driving, but that was freaky driving through that, all that fog. Okay, so we have the large water. That's what we wanted. Oh, you know, we haven't analyzed anything. What did we need? Oh, 100 osmium and 100 osmium ingots? This thing's on crack. Okay, well, that's what you need. We got an osmium mine somewhere? I don't know why I think that's a door. Looks like a door. Oh, let's see what we need for that water. That's the V2. Faster rotors, composite beams. Wow. What is our next task first? Establish a research base in the coldest. Oh, it's pretty much the same thing. Oh, we get the climate regulator and ruby deposits. Yeah, let's pin that, see if we can make it. I don't think we can make the faster rotors in here. Oh, yeah, we can. Gear assemblies. Osmium. Osmium and iron beams. We got some iron beams sitting in the box. But osmium. Did we have osmium? If we did, it was up there. Oh, man, I'm tired of running. I need to keep vehicles all over the place. Man, I made a pit here. I got both vehicles sitting over here for some reason. Alright. I thought I did osmium here somewhere. If I did, we should be able to get the osmium ingots. You're osmium, right? Yes. We need 100. Oh, man, I'm overloaded. Did I put any boxes in here? Yeah, alright. Not alright. Sort. Your osmium. Okay, let's put some basalt in here. Some sulfur. How much osmium we got? Not much here. But I can throw some glass in there and here, have some rubber. Have some stone. What else can we get rid of? Oh, what else can we take? Cobalt. Man, look at all sulfur in here. I should have been checking the boxes. Actually, I didn't realize I had boxes in here. Okay, let's go get what we need and see what else advances we can get. Alright, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Get rid of that 3. So we got 100 of that, and we need 100 out of here, and I don't think we have it yet. I just fell in a hole. 60. Come on, make me another 40. Oh, even though I need it for this, make me more than 40. Really need a warehouse. What else we got going here? That's iron. Your copper, I think. Yeah, your copper. And I hooked up 2 on this just to make other things. What do you got? I gotta fix that hole. Man, you're slow. Actually, I should have hooked up 2 on that. We don't have a bigger miner yet. We got the advanced miner. That's it. There's a bigger miner. Come on, we need to make some more water for these guys. That's 80. As I get to 100, I'm going to go down, analyze it, see what we get, and then we'll come back and grab whatever they got. So we can make these. Oh, we need cement too. I think I have cement in the warehouse. Why isn't it listed? Oh, I took it all. I'll leave it there. I thought I had cement in the warehouse. Gotta get graphite in the warehouse so we can make some roads. I want roads, so we got nice smooth traveling. Okay, analyzer, what are you gonna give me for this? Give me something good. Yeah, there's cement in the warehouse. It says 180. Conveyor V3. Oh, yes. Advanced miner V2. Tunnel drill. Oh, that thing is pretty cool. Geothermal plant. Major power. Oh, baby. We got the good stuff. Okay, what's next on this? Just by curiosity. Phosphorus. We haven't found that one yet. So we're going to be at a standstill for analyzing until we find that. So for these, we're going to need... Wait a minute, it's not gear assembly, is it? No, composite beam. We're going to need the osmium alloy. Oh, yeah, we're going to have to make a few things. But we'll do that on the next episode. I'm going to go ahead and call it here. I hope you guys enjoyed it so far. We are advancing. We got to get our water upgraded and our water pump. Water purification's only 75%. We got to get all that nasty steam out of there. Maybe we'll put a couple of these on. I don't know if we need a couple, but we definitely need to upgrade all these to get our water up there much better. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button. I'd really appreciate it. And I will see you guys on the next episode of Eating Crafters. This is Gmo signing out for now. Until next time. All right, everybody. Bye-bye for now.